I'm gonna start this thing up because I want to make sure that kind of all the moisture is out of the exhausts. And also I want to see if the alternator is still charging, or if, you know, we're gonna need to order a new one and get that replaced. The alternator out of the V8, and basically it's dead. I won't be going in depth with the install of the new alternator because it's not really that interesting, but it will be happening before it goes back out on the water. Last time we rode this, the gearbox cooler kind of exploded a little bit and was filling up the hole with water.
This sounds good on video. It sounds really good in person. That is crazy.
We will take out the V8 jet ski, and since Joel's here, I will obviously let him try it.
Yes! Don't know exactly what to expect. I've watched all the videos, but yeah, it's fairly intimidating knowing that I'm going to be sitting on top of the V8.
Good luck!
I found you!
Do you have any initial reactions yet?
I think they already saw, but yeah, that is intense. The amount of torque and just sheer, everything about the experience, the way it pulls, the way it sounds, and what I think probably surprises me the most is the way it handles. It feels substantial, but it doesn't feel heavy. It's amazing. If somebody told me that this was built in somebody's garage, or garage, crazy Americans, I wouldn't believe them. It is crazy. Like, when you're on this driving it, it just feels like a jet ski.
So we might as well just run it against the fastest ski we have.
I'm honestly really curious to see how close they are.
So we're gonna run it and we're gonna see what happens. Okay guys, Joel owes me $1,000.
No, kind of knowing how quick that the Interceptor is and seeing all the videos on it and stuff, being on this, like you're sitting on a mountain and the mountain just happens to be like able to move really fast and really quick. It doesn't make sense. Like, yeah, I bet $1,000 against it.
So it's always a party around here. We're gonna see if Jacob can ride it, and we're gonna see if Jason can ride it.
That's a heck of a thing right there.
The V8 is actually done for today before Jason gets to ride it.
Isn't that just typical? I'll ride it someday. I think I have ridden it one time, but
not when it was good. The tide was going out, and with this needing to be worked on, I just decided we'll pull it out. We'll do the simplest repairs of all time, and we'll be back with the V8 very soon.